Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to add an item in Unite and how to allocate price for that specific item. So to add an item, go to Items, Service Master, and click on this Add button. So what are the basic information you need to add an item? To answer this question, we need the item short and long description, CPT or internal code. So CPT code will be the primary. If we don't have the CPT code, we can use internal code. And what is the item type, whether it is service or procedure or however it is. And please note that while adding an item under test item type, that is under investigation, we will not be able to add it in service master. We will be able to do it only by uploading a price list. So that I will show you in the upcoming videos. And do we have tags for that specific item? So these are the basic information we need while creating an item. So I'm going to create a test item. And let me give the CPT code as 1234. And I will select the item type as service. So the eClaim activity type will also be a service. So if we have the time, the consultation time, we can update here. And we can also update the consultation type here, whether it is new or follow-up or however it is. And in tax category, this SR indicates 5% tax and ZR indicates 0% tax. And there is no tax for this item. So let me select ZR. If you want to edit this tax category in invoice, you can enable this on option, or else you can keep it on off. So I have created a test item here and finally save this. So now I have created an item and let me show you how to allocate price for this specific item. So go to items and price master. Here this service master is used to create an item and the price master is used to allocate price for the created items. So click on price master and select the price list. In which price list you want to add this item and give the price. So now I'm going to select self-pay price list. So this screen will be displayed here and click on this plus icon. And select the created item. Click on add. And here you can allocate the price for that item. So let me give 100 dirhams. And if you provide any discount for this item, you can enter here. And finally you can save. So now we have created the item and we also allocated the price for that item. And thanks for watching. Bye.